Now, you're probably wondering why we asked you all to join us here this morning. So without further ado, we'll move on, and I'm very pleased to introduce to you the new leader of Airbus, our President and Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Fabrice Bregier.
But first, may I call your attention briefly to this video screen.
This is a story about people. A story about people from an American town. Optimistic people from a resilient region. It's also a story about people